What's going on, guys? David here with you, bringing you another video, and today we're going to be talking about the live Q&A we're going to be having this Saturday at 9 o'clock. I did a poll, and everybody that took the poll said Saturday PM time would be great, so I'm going to hold those at 9 o'clock. We're going to have at least 2 of them each month for sure at a minimum, and like we'll do this Saturday and then skip, and then do one the next following Saturday. So that's how that's going to work. This weekend I am going to be shooting a video series on the dishwasher. Like I said, we're going to be talking and covering a lot of things about the dishwashers, the installation, things to look for, pretty much the whole breakdown of the dishwasher. So looking forward to that. I also got a microwave. I'm going to be breaking down some of the main key components that we change in the microwave and what to look for and how to troubleshoot that. So we got that we're going to be doing this weekend. I may not get to the microwave, but I'm for sure going to be doing the dishwasher series. So you guys look forward to that. Again, I appreciate you guys. The live Q&A is going to be this Saturday. I don't know the date. I hadn't looked at the date because I'm just doing this as I'm going down the road. But this Saturday at 9 o'clock, be sure and set your alarm on your phone so you guys can be a part of it. I like to at least do them an hour long, and the hour goes by so fast when you're having a good time. So make sure you guys jump in there and ask any questions you want. I'll be sure to answer them. And like I said, I appreciate you guys. We got a pretty good day today. I got a transmission job to do at the end of the day. I put it at the end of the day. It's not bad. It's just a lot of steps. Hoping we can pull this tub out, knock everything out. Because sometimes, the tub puller that I got, it only fits certain size machines. I hadn't got a different one yet for these particular size. But hopefully we can get everything pulled out and get that thing taken care of. But see you guys in the next clip. Installing a bearing and shaft kit here. I believe this is on a Whirlpool wash machine. Took this picture. Just gotta love the LG refrigerators. You got to go and pull everything just to be able to slide the drawers out. Awful. I don't know how you guys roll, but when I go to change the transmission, I pull the whole top off, so I ain't got to worry about the console. These transmissions are pretty common to make a loud roaring sound and go bad. It's because the seal has developed a leak and water was getting into it. What that actuator does, it So, could it be a thermal fuse? Could it not have power? Or what could be going on? Ah, here it is. The little lid switch was broken. So, did I have this on the van? Of course I do. Always have these on the van. Alright guys, this is the new Samsung ice maker kit that Samsung has come out with. I did do some recording on this. I'll have this in a video itself, but I appreciate you guys being a part of my channel, watching and giving me the thumbs up, and see y'all this Saturday in the live Q&A. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.